Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to run PHP snippet for login user in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are using wpcode plugin. So this is our custom PHP code. Now go to product page, refresh the page and then you see drop down. Now select and then you see value. So by using custom code, we are going to display variation product price in drop down, but now we will show this functionality to login user. Now back to code and then scroll down, you see location. Now select front end conditional logic. Now select it and then scroll down, you see smart conditional logic, enable logic and then you see show and then you see add new group. Now click on it and then you see login user. Now select is true. So this code only show for login user and then click on update. Now snippet updated. Go to product page, refresh the page. So this is for login user. Now you see product price. Now copy URL, open website. Now press enter. So now we are not login and then you see drop down and you don't see any price here in drop down field. So that custom PHP snippet only run for login user. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.